welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel. Guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you a morning routine. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So okay guys, the first thing in the morning, I always have some mint tea. So this is my mint tea right here. And I make it in the Tim Hortons brand, the spearmint, caffeine free. So it's a Tim Hortons brand. Then I make some fruit salad. And this is kiwi right here. Next one is orange. The next one is mango. Then you have June plum right here. Then you have jackfruit right here. And then the apple. So this is my fruit salad I'm gonna eat, and this will serve me for the day, me and my family for the day, like 4 of us for the day. So this is what then I'm gonna do my day. I'm gonna go on the road today, guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but if I go on the road, that would be in the next video. So okay guys, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, so I got up to do my morning routine because I want to go on the road today. So yeah, I get up early and said I'm going to do my stuff. But guys, the night routine I did, one of my subscribers told me about this cream, Topical Fano. It's called Faded by Topical. So she said to try it, and it's the best thing on the market for my spots. So I'm going to try it. Guys, I'm going to link this in the description box below. And I think this is for $49. But I'll link this in the description box below. So it's called Topical, Faded by Topical. So I'm going to try it. So okay guys, the first thing I do is cleanse my face. So guys, this is the Incalis. And this one is the Incalis as well. So I got this at Winners and I got this at Sephora. But it's the same Incalis. So I just alternate them. I alternate them sometimes and use this one. Is the same cleanser. So I already washed my face with the cleanser. So the next thing I do is I use my Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C. Guys, I think I link this in the description box below with my night routine. But however, I will do it again. I will link it in the description box below again. Is a vitamin C. So guys, I just use 2 pumps. And then I do my face. Guys, my routine is not as long because I use just 4 products in the morning. I just use 4 products. Okay, so the next one is my Niacinamide. I just use 2 pumps as well, guys. Just 2 pumps I use. Guys, I don't know why I have to always hold my lips. And I take it down to the neck. So the next item is the topical that my subscriber told me about. I thank you very much. So I'm going to try it and I'll let you know what's the result. So guys, I put it, the spots are right here. So I put it there. I'm just going to put it there on the spots right here. Spots are right here. Right under here. Okay, so guys, and the last item I use, it's my sunscreen. It's a daily sunscreen and it's Supergoop and it's Play. That's the one I use, and I use a lot. I use a lot, guys, because I'm gonna go outside today, and I'm just gonna. Okay, guys. Then my lip gloss, my Laneige lip gloss, and I'm out. So, guys, I went to Winners the other day, and I found these sunscreen, and right here is the Shiseido, and this one was going for $34.99, and this one going for $25.99, and this one is the All Free, and this is the Vita Clear. So guys, if you want to go check it out, you could go check them out. So I never used this before, so I'm gonna use this when this is finished. When this is finished, I'm gonna try these, so I'll let you know. And so yeah, guys, if you want to go try it out, you can go try it out. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I'm gonna go on the road. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Bye, guys.